Hi friends, I brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on benzyl penicillin. The box has 10 vials. Each vial contains 5000 IU of benzyl penicillin. The price for the box is 110 rupees. It's made by Nuobai Pharma. Benzyl penicillin injection is used to treat and prevent certain infections caused by bacteria. Penicillin injection is in a class of medications called penicillins. It works by killing bacteria that causes infection. Antibiotics such as penicillin will not work for colds, flu or other viral infections. Taking antibiotics when they are not needed increases your risk of getting an infection later that resists antibiotic treatment. This injection comes in the form of powder. It is supposed to be mixed with water and injected into muscle or vein, but may also be given directly into the lining of the chest cavity, into the fluids surrounding the spinal cord, or into a joint or other areas. You should begin to feel better during the first days of treatment with penicillin injection. If your symptoms do not improve or get worse, call your doctor and use penicillin injection for as long as your doctor tells you that you should. Even if you feel better, if you stop taking penicillin injection too soon or skip doses, your infection may not be completely treated and the bacteria may become resistant to antibiotics. Penicillin injection is used to treat certain infections such as syphilis, Lyme disease, a relapsing fever, and infection transmitted by tick bites that causes repeated episodes of fever. You may experience a reaction beginning 1 or 2 hours after receiving your first dose of this medication and lasting for 12 to 24 hours. Tell your doctor if you experience any of the following symptoms such as fever, chills, muscle aches, headaches, worsening of skin sores, fast heartbeat, fast breathing and flushing, etc. Use the missed dose as soon as you remember it. However, if it is almost time for the next dose, skip the missed dose and continue your regular dosing schedule. Do not use a double dose to make up for a missed one. Penicillin injection may cause side effects such as nausea, vomiting, pain, swelling or redness in the area where the medication was injected. Some side effects can be serious such as rash, hives, itching, difficulty breathing, swelling of the face, hoarseness, fever, muscle, joint pain, stomach pain, severe diarrhea, unusual bleeding or bruising, blood in the urine, seizures, weakness, fast or slow heartbeat, return of fever, sore throats, chills or other signs of infection. If you have serious side effects, call your doctor immediately. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.